Hi guys, today I'm reviewing Motorola Moto G Pure and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from Power Key on this device. So now by double press to the Power Key we can see that the camera application is activated. For example, maybe you just haven't any options, so just to use the Google Assistant by double press to Power Key, you should first open the settings and tap to the system section. Then click to the gestures and tap to double press Power Key and switch launch camera or just none to launch assistant. So after that, let's press twice to the Power Key and we can see that the Google Assistant successfully activated. If you wanna just unlink Google Assistant from Power Key, just switch here launch assistant to none. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.